When determining if a function is exponential, there are two conditions that must be met. First off, that function must have a positive base. So whatever the base number is, it must be positive or greater than 0. The second is the variable must be present in the exponent. It's not just there is an exponent present, but this must be a variable up here in the exponent. Positive base variable up in the exponent. Let's take a look at a couple of options. Our first option, f of x equals 3x squared. You might think that this is an exponential function because an exponent is present. However, that exponent is a constant and not a variable, not an exponential function. G of x is 2 with times 3 raised to the power of x. We have a variable in the exponent and our base is positive, making this an exponential function. H of x is equal to 5 times negative 2 raised to the x. You might get a little bit excited here that there is an exponent variable. That's a good step. However, the base is negative. This means that this is not an exponential function. The next function, negative x raised to the 5th, does not have a variable present in the exponent, therefore is not an exponential function. And the last one can be a little tricky because the variable is in the exponent and then our base is 1/5, which can be a little confusing to people because it is a fraction, which is fine. It is a positive fraction, so it does meet the criteria of being positive. It does not have to be a whole number. It just has to be greater than 0. So this is indeed an exponential function, making our second and our fifth choices exponential functions.